In this video, I will teach you how to export deals from HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to the Deals tool. You can find it by going to the Sales, and from in there, you should be able to find Deals. If you can find it right there, you can also click onto the search and search right here for Deals. You should be able to find it right here under the apps. So head over and click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you can see right here this page. So for this case, you can just add deals if you have it ready. And if you have it, you can head over and then export it. On the top right of the table, you can click onto the actions itself. If you have your deal ready, you can already find the export option. So click onto this export. Then after that, this will export to view. Choose right here the name of the deals, the file format, the language, and column header. Then after that, click on export and you can download the file directly from there. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.